Welcome to Best Reviews, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of RC cars. If you're a fellow RC enthusiast looking for the ultimate ride, you've come to the right place. But before we dive into our top picks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button to stay updated on all our future reviews and recommendations. And hey, for your convenience, we've dropped the links to the products we'll be discussing down below in the description box, so be sure to check them out. Now, without further ado, let's rev up those engines and explore the top 5 best RC cars you can get your hands on this year. Kicking off our countdown at number 5 is the ZLL SG116 MAX and Pro, a 1/16 scale RC car that promises an exhilarating high-speed drifting experience. With the option to reach speeds of up to 80 km per hour with a brushless motor or a more controlled 40 km per hour, this 4WD off-road car is perfect for those who crave speed and performance. The durable design and full proportional control system allow for precise maneuvers, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned racers. The built-in LED lights add to the excitement, allowing for nighttime adventures. Moving swiftly to number 4, the 1/8 scale DHK Hobby 8382 Maximus monster truck. This electric RC car is a beast on the track, boasting high-speed capabilities and a 4WD system that can handle any off-road challenge. Its robust construction and oil-filled shocks are designed to absorb the impact of jumps and rough terrain, ensuring that the fun doesn't stop even in the most demanding conditions. Coming in at number 3, we present the CROSSRC EMO X3. Northeastern Tigers is not just any RC car, it's a 1/8 scale crawler and road rescue vehicle that brings a unique twist to the RC world. With its detailed design and functional features, it's perfect for those who enjoy realistic simulation and rescue scenarios. This electric remote control model is built to navigate through challenging terrains and provide hours of engaging play. Zooming into the runner-up spot is the ZD Racing DBX07. Is a 1/7 scale power desert truck that is ready to run, RTR, straight out of the box. It can reach impressive speeds of up to 80 km per hour, thanks to its 6S brushless motor. This 4WD off-road buggy is designed for those who love the thrill of high-speed racing across sandy dunes and rugged landscapes. Its aggressive all-terrain tires and durable construction make it a formidable contender in any race. Topping our list is the ARRMA 1/5 KRATON 4x48 SBLX EXB, a monster truck that truly lives up to its name. This massive 1/5 scale RC truck is equipped with a brushless motor and is ready to run, providing an out-of-the-box experience that's hard to beat. It's designed for hardcore bashing and can handle the toughest terrains with ease. With its Spectrum 8S capable smart speedo and huge tires, the KRATON is a force to be reckoned with, offering both power and precision to its driver.